Hello everyone. I hope that you are good. I hope that all things is going well with you. In this video, I wanted to share with you a special thing that you can do for yourself without needing any mechanical expert. So it's an important thing to share with you in this video. So, this is my car. It was stopped more than 6 months, so the battery is low now and is not possible to make my car functional, and I can't even to open my car. So I open this hood, this cover. I open it just by using a special tool, so I can access to my battery, and then I will show you. The first thing, I will disassemble my battery from the car, and I will bring it to my home. Then I will show you how you can repair your battery and charge it again without needing to buy a new one. Because if you go to diagnose your problem, the mechanical expert will advise you to buy a new battery. So you cannot always buy a new battery. It's a little expensive. So there is a solution to repair it and to recharge it again. So stay with me, I will show you. So as you can see, I disassembled the battery from my car, and I bring it to my home, and I recommend you to use this special tool. It's a special charger that I tested. This charger is very nice to use it to repair and charge a defective battery or a very low battery. So as you can see in this charger, there is a lot of options. There is an option for the truck or car battery, and this is for AGM battery. This is for motorcycle battery, and this is the special thing I see in this battery is this option is to repair defective battery. So this is a button to select between all these options. I will show you. I will try to mount my charger in the power source, and as you can see in this screen, there is no battery. So you can see here off. That means there is no battery mounted in this charger. I didn't make a video before charging because I didn't have time. So the battery, I charged the battery. It was 0 volt. That means the battery is not able to be charged. Is totally low, totally defective, and there is no way to use it according to what mechanical expert can say to you. So I charged it. Just I make this video to show you how I repaired it and how I charged it again. You can see here there is a green light, like a green light. That means the battery is fully charged. So I will show you how I made to charge this battery after it was very low. It was defective. It was 0 volt. So the first thing, I push this button to choose between options. As you can see, there is a light here. That means that I choose this tool. The important thing in this charger is that is detect a lot of things, like for example, if I inversed the polarity of batteries, the charger give me an error. That means the battery is not mounted correctly. So you can avoid any issue. You can avoid that the battery can be explored. Okay, so if I mount, for example, the plus socket in the minus pin, for example, the battery can give me error. You see, and what I do is to mount it, the plus socket in the plus pin and the minus socket in the minus pin, so the battery will start to be repaired. And here it's important to see that there is 12 volt, because this charger is worked for 12 volts and 24 volts. The important thing to know is the maximum amperage that can given by this charger in 12 volts is 8 amperes, and in 24 volts is 4 amperes. How can I see that this charger is enough for my battery? As you can see, my battery capacity is 80 ampere hour. So that means, and my battery is 12 volts. That means that 8 ampere is 80 ampere hour is the capacity of my battery, divided by 10. So it's okay to charge it with this charger. So you leave the battery in this mode, in repair mode, for 4 to 5 hours. Then you can remove the battery, and then try to choose this mode, truck or car battery, and then mount your charger again, mount your battery again, and you can see the battery is start to be charged, and now it give me full. This charger also, the advantage of this charger also is that is monitoring the temperature and the amperage given by charger. So my battery now is full, and I will mount it in my car without buying another battery. There is a lot of things that I want to do in my car. I have a modest car, but I will try to make a lot of things to make my car like new. I will share with you all things that I do. So see you in other video. See you again. Thank you so much for watching.